Kits Interactive Theater presents Virtual Mother Nature, a fun interactive show for grades K to 3. Lively Mother Nature, the fairies, frogs, and butterflies teach students about commonly found ecosystems and the impact man has on his environment. As I said, the program is interactive.
I hope you're feeling very active today because you get to be part of the show. There'll be times when you'll be participating, whether you're sitting down or up on your feet or even joining in the dance. When you hear me say, "And now it's your turn," you know that's your time to jump in.
A list of props made from items found around the house is available so students can participate while the show airs. And best of all, your teachers can easily be featured in the video itself.
Well, by now the animals were furious. Look at their faces. Look how angry they were. Let me see your faces. Let me see how angry you are. Oh, those are some angry faces.
Imagine the fun students will have when their teachers or principal appear in the movie. The production is divided into 3 parts, each part focused on a particular ecosystem: a pond, a forest, and the seashore. You can show them back to back or create a lesson plan around each of the individual ecosystems and show each piece separately. You can then follow up with a live Zoom Q&A with Mother Nature herself. Let Kits Interactive Theater bring the joy of theater and love of nature into your students' lives today.
Darlings, please remember that every day is Earth Day.